No, sir. It's a pleasure to Antaga. Shan! Shan! No, sir. Shan!
Yeah.
Come here, come here. Oh, make your place look so. You necessary place want tidy up.
But then my job that.
What mean none of your job that?
Remember your mother, I know, remember me small.
That not nothing to do with it.
What you mean
What
by?
you think me have you for? Eh?
But me not reach a stage yet to clean up your house.
You how much? You're a big old girl. You're supposed to know if you do everything by now. When me the little, me know if you do everything when me there for your age. So if I me like her, tidy up your place. Me go up on the road and come back. You hear me say? Make sure so me come back your place tidy up.
Yeah,
and
it a go
me
tidy. It a go tidy.
Alright.
Go tidy. No tidy up nothing. She'll come back and see the place same so. Cause she if clean up the place. But she gone pan road. Yeah. And she a mother. And she if do everything. Cook, wash everything she if do. Me not do nothing. Come on to you.
Alright. You just say you can't put your clothes them in one basket though.
Me have the energy there. You can't do it for me.
Please. Would I do it for you but right now?
Alright.
Come.
What?
Come up with the bed now.
Alright, put the bed now. You know, we can go beach together in there, yeah? Shanice!
How that?
Ashad.
Oh, come now. What go on?
Yeah, clean up.
No, me not clean, me done. She got fed up here. What happened?
No, them yard, I'm a boy. I'm saying I come with you.
Oh, me not do nothing, so we can go somewhere.
We'll go on the road, yeah?
Or go beach together or whatever.
Anyway. Mama, it don't look like me can't go road too. Remember they go that way, you know? Two of we are same age group.
You don't see all of that way?
Right. That two people if come road, I don't fit on a yard.
No, you fit stay home. We are good on a beach.
Come on, come on, Miss Shaw.
Put up in bed and wash out the plate them and make sure you cook mackerel with the rice. Me soon come back.
Yeah, so come go hungry so we want food.
Yeah, we soon come back.
What? Every time I get a come on the yard, come haul up my sister out the yard, you know. Me not like her.
Amanda. How are you did there?
You're there still living?
What a question.
No, I'm not.
What kind of friend you be? You're gone and you not even said nothing at all to me.
No, girl. Me not gone, no. It's just that me hard to come out. Nah, me still there, me yard.
You still there, yard?
Me not move. Me not come out. Me not have nowhere to go.
So how life I treat you?
As you can see, good. How about you?
I'm great. Me have a daughter too.
I lie.
Yeah, me have a daughter.
Have you the same nigga?
No, me and that the guy that break up after Papa.
I lie.
Yeah.
So your daughter how old?
She's 13.
Oh, so you and him still good?
Of course, what we do? We live a house together. Oh,
Nothing. Me
So
happy for you.
oh,
Yeah,
what
me
boss?
happy for you and you look good too.
Oh, thank you.
For your woman, we have a pitney, you look good.
Damn.
You know some woman have pitney and they look, you know?
Yeah,
Pack down, you look nice. When I tell you like.
thanks. But
So where
anyway,
Papa there?
me want to know Papa there.
Me
Papa
just
there work.
ask. Oh,
Yeah.
you take care of your pitney?
Oh, what kind of question?
I'm just asking. It's just a simple
Hey,
question.
I have to take care of Pitney once we live a house together. You never get the part there, you get it now? Together, we live together. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Anyway, I shop me
Anyways, me I come go shop. Yeah, me I go shop. You know, it was nice meeting you still.
Alright. Why is she a move like that? Interesting.
I'm tired, man. I can't tired, so no, sir.
What's
I think I'm here alone.
Wait there, girl. I saw a man.
I'm a sister, man.
No business about that. Sister don't have to know.
What you gonna do with him?
We a sister do with him.
My sister, oh, little sister young.
The same thing way sister can do, me can do.
Seen there.
Anyways. Hello, what's your name?
What's that job one name call me though?
My name is Sean.
Sean? Nice name, that's Sean. You say I did an idea.
You know, I see you, I like you, from just stop. Because my friend I walk on the road and I go down. So I like you, I say, yeah, I have to stop there, so. Say the pan.
Yeah, go on and ease himself a look out of me airball them, you know?
So you do right here,
Oh,
so.
manners.
I ease myself a look out of me airball them.
You can't give me a number.
Give me a number right now though.
Then we have.
Not right now. I look on easy.
Me see you have a woman, so how you text her?
Now we live together.
That means nothing can connect then.
It's only a so lie, no?
Lie with her.
What go on now?
Now you kill her there. I have one other woman.
How go on now, Shorty?
How much money you have?
We not know woman. One woman.
You don't.
Anyways, you see her? She's 13. She's 13 years old. Let me tell you, because she don't want to tell you.
Up on tattoo, so I'm bore up, so.
Yeah,
Alright,
cause
how we be taking that man? Tattoo and
she
go up
let go.
everything.
Then let her go for she 10.
So kind of parents you have, so?
A
She
liar.
don't have no parents. Her father Romed.
A liar. I'm not 13 years old.
Yeah, how much?
Me 17.
You look 17.
You see if you know, you know what? How can you must feel?
Next time you say, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
here
man.
we talk.
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Hold them.
You love too much man. No. Listen to me. It's when me and you walk. If you see man, you not see none. You go see man and allow them alone.
So
You're
wait,
13
wait,
and you're
wait.
14 and me not chat to man like how you chat to man.
No, wait. So, yeah, try to tell me, say, if you see one girl, the best thing to do is stop to a girl than a man.
Me never tell you to talk to a guy. Make man talk to you first.
No, girl. Sometimes we have to approach them.
No, we not desperate, girl. When you walk with me, you make man approach you first. Oh.
I have a prank.
For sure, I'm serious. Never put up no bed. No bed. Mon.
My sister.
Ah,
Me can't
No,
put juice
sister,
come
me.
for you.
I don't even want your drink.
You're
darling.
lucky.
Mama. Maybe God, I realize I am an idiot. I'm a real fool.
You just know.
God, yes. God, me bigger than you. If you can say one gone on road.
Tell me I'm gonna be and come back.
Yeah, na bitch.
No.
Hello. Mommy gone foreign and me left in charge. Me a big woman in a this and me they run this. And you pick up say one gone on road. I eat my face and give me tough chat, girl. Proper bed.
Not pred none.
Mama, bed. No. Ready up. Put up your shinies and let my
Oh, give your strength.
Hey, mama. Me say put up your bed. Put up your bed before I lick off your head. You go up on the road and look waist, girl.
That's why she gonna take your man.
She can't take me, mommy, and a man for she take. You think that my
You
man
sure?
job would want her? You think my man job would want that? Put up your bed and argument with me. You're too rank. You're little pitney. I'm tired of you now. I'm a big one in this. Me big.
Pred no.
Put up your bed. Right. As some mom used to do me. And that they used to do me. Pred bed, girl.
Now
Pred
run your
bed.
friend, yeah.
Run me go now. You know run me go now. No.
Run me and go live with that
God,
man.
if you come in like say, you're something done there so they jump.
Feather the penny saying I must jump.
Okay, feel like a big man. Make me say you use your road. Me go show you me your mom.
Right in and me I use it.
Cause you think you're so bad. You have too much attitude. And nothing back of it. Nothing at all back of it.
See not even you can spread one bed.
No.
Not even that you can do.
Me spread the bed. But show me what say me bigger. And me and I yard so good. Me little girl can take you out of the yard.
So nobody now come for you.
My man soon come for me. No worry about that proper bed.
Your man gone with the same waist, girl.
Me not listen to what you say, mama. Proper bed. You talk to me like say me. You say that me is no. So I'm not for licking in your head. Make mama feel. You hear? Prop bed.
So
And
they
sweep out the
abandon
house.
you. Me not
Not
sweep
even the
out
food
none.
me no cook. You go and cook it today. Spread bed. Spread the bed.
Me
And
done.
today you go and cook your food in this. I mean, not laugh. Where you gone pan road? Ramp with me, girl.
Uplift me.
Don't sure say me bigger than you. What the hell? Me bigger than you. And me a bigger one. Me bigger. 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 But you can't pan road.
No, me pay you.
Pretty bed, no! Me not laugh with the pretty bed. But you got a road with friend. Friend? What friend they know? Hurry up.
I'm gone
Play
with
one
your
wash.
man.
Play one wash. You talk about man. My man don't want that. Play one wash, you know.
You can't do so much something.
And the food no cook.
Me
Hurry up.
hungry.
Hurry up, mama, hurry up. But you got a road. And left me here. And me for the girl road I left you here. Perfect bed. Hurry up. Take it up. Take it up. What's wrong with you? Put up your bed.
Hungry.
More hungry. I cheat me go call me man.
What people man you have?
Make me come back in here. And the bed no spread. And the food no cook. And the plate no wash. You hear? Hurry up.
Jesus Christ. You look a girl really not tidy up the place? You know, say father go come home and answer this door and he go cause problem in our house. Alright. No, me I do. Why you not tidy up the place? I'm tell you to tidy up the place. Your father so coming now?
So me tell you to do it because I you to do them some here.
What you mean you tell me to do it? Hello, when me talk to you, you feel listen me. Your mother, you know? Me and your mother and me carry come here and you bring me come here.
Yeah, so you have to
So
tidy up
anytime,
the place.
hey, when me a talk, you listen. So anytime I tell you to do something, you're supposed to do it. You don't have to ask no question if you do it. No, you and your father go in a problem.
Greetings,
Jesus Christ.
greetings. I ain't a lie. Greetings. Wagwan here. Wagwan.
Me tell her daughter say if you tidy up a place, me a go up on the road go deal with something and come back and she don't do nothing. Me
So-
come back and see the place same way.
You-
See there me have to go do it now.
You tell the eye, say, if you clean up the place, right?
Yes.
And the eye don't clean up the place. So when the eye they are the whole day.
I don't know, see her there in front of you
When the
outside.
eye I do your whole day. I don't clean up the place.
But me tell her she to do them something there.
Listen, you don't tell your mother that. I don't grow you so. And your mother spoil you. You see, look at time you make your mother go on vacation. You come back with 2 nose purse. You come back with tattoo. You come back with the ears and praise 2 times. I don't deal with them Babylon system there. I don't raise no all that. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Why meaning you put on tattoo? What lucky give you?
Fashion.
Last time I deal with nothing in
Why
fashion.
you heart down on the picnic so far?
That is the reason why she put on tattoo, because I wasn't there to harp down on him like that. You give her the
But I
chance.
fear choice. She
Choice
want
at
do it
13.
so-
Choice at 13. You don't have no choice until you leave this house. If you want to live under this roof, you don't have no choice of your own. Not with your mother. Because if your mother cooking, she have to call me and make sure, notify me what's cooking.
Here.
You notice there's 2 different pots in here.
Okay.
One for vegetable and one for food. No idiot meat you not eat. You understand? So you see next time I hear say you fi clean up the place and I come cut the place dirty, I go chop off your hair.
Chop off what? Like something wrong with you. Make you not go cut for your locks. You want to cut off my picnic here. What wrong with you?
Cause the eye wear fake dread. I don't wear fake. You know, it's fake.
So your locks not
I
fake.
style.
I will just call it eye locks. I fake you just call my locks fake. Eh? You know how long I grow this? Eh?
And it looks so?
That's nice.
You better warn her, you know. Because I don't
Sorry,
want to
sorry.
call down Jack tonight here in the day.
Alright, done.
Look at y'all. Start clean up. Start. Fuck up. Right. Come on, run for that. And tattoo in the back.
Leave your little girl alone.
Everything
man.
you'll
Look
find
up at me,
problem.
make it survive now.
Jesus.
Listen to me. You see, anytime the eye breathe in this house, the eye will no longer live here. And if the eye find out that you are tech man, the eye will no longer live here. You will live at homes.
Who was send me at homes?
The eye. Who else?
Oh.
Me get no
Remember,
alright.
don't tell me for me not going.
Stop it, nice. Listen to me. Leave her alone.
Me
You're not
give
tied
you
up the
1
place
week.
already.
Me I give you 1 week to straighten out. If you don't straighten out this girl, me myself.
So, me lean?
Yes, you lean, mama. From the moment you go your nose, you put on tattoo, you lean. You do not reach the age of government law. You put on tattoo. You. I want me to think a man, you're lucky.
Where you want? Where you come? Why you come home so early, by the way?
I just release myself from work because I don't feel good.
What wrong with you?
The eye them cook pork today and I don't eat pork, so I don't feel good. I just tell the boss and me I go.
So what wrong with pork? You better than pork?
Imagine what real rest about. We not eat meat, vegetable alone. That doesn't even make sense. Because who in this world don't eat meat?
Your father.
The eye full of teeth. The eye want to lose some teeth. Open up your mouth again. Say something. Say something before me come out of the house.
Don't say nothing, don't say nothing. Make him go on. Go on, later.
Anyway, I look at money for borrow
Yeah.
until I get paid. You don't worry about that.
How much money you? Why every time you borrow money from me? Me not like this, you know? Me don't like it.
The eye ever owe you and don't pay you?
Alright, how much money you want to borrow?
The eye look at 2 grand. Now I go buy a flask of rum and brandy.
So you take your money and buy? Don't say nothing. Stay out of this. This is
No,
between me
man,
and your
yeah.
father. Rastafari.
Selassie eye, how you do? You open the eye mouth again. Chat again. Chat again. Make a box it down your throat hole.
Go on.
If you ever open the eye mouth again, man, yeah, why that you know?
Oh, for
We
me,
are
call that stopping eyes. But me deal with
We
your
just have to
father.
ignore this right
Go on
now.
in your room. Go on in your room. Go on in your room.
You see, I talk to her and you see what you do. You send her in her room.
When you go talk to her, so you know they not talk to her in so how long already. What your problem?
I want you.
Leave me pitney alone.
If I
Leave
feel like
me
you
pitney
come in here
alone.
with pitney, I go out. Alright.
You know, go on. Because
Alright.
you don't make no sense neither. Every time I come, I borrow. Sean, well, what were you doing?
Man, game of the playing.
One game I did I play and you're frightened, so as me
Come
come in
in
the
there,
room,
expect you to be some friend and you just put them on.
give me a phone. Open it. Where you get burger?
Daddy buy me.
Your father buy your burger? Your father buy you burger?
Yeah.
And no buy no burger for me? Who this?
One of my friend him.
So now him buy you a burger, carry out a gate come give you. So all you say your father buy
A
your
daddy buy. A daddy buy. And the person meet daddy and come give me.
Why you so lie, little girl? So mean to God, you have sex?
That's why I say that.
Eh? No wonder why you want to bore up your nose and put on tattoo. Because you're a man and you feel like you're a woman. Eh?
I am a woman.
No, you're not a woman, you're a little girl. You're a child. You not even have ID. Girl. You see your papa? You see the Rasta man there? If he ever know say you I have sex, trust me, your head belong to him. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Why you start have sex so soon?
Greetings, I. What are you meeting for?
No, I buy something on video talk about it.
How many times I tell you no can no thing from down that place in the eye house unless it's a vegetarian burger.
She tell me say you buy it for her.
Me I go into what I?
Burger King.
I don't go nowhere where beef and meat angle. I don't go there and say, don't this is I. Don't do it. You know when I am buying you anything with food, I send a buy taxi to buy it. I don't go near them places, so oh, I buy it.
I don't know.
Where you get it from?
I want my friend them buy.
Man or woman?
Woman.
Woman. Woman buy it.
Lie.
A woman see and buy it.
Yes.
And buy you it.
Yeah.
So me not have money. Your mother don't have money.
We don't want to buy. I have a friend when we buy it. We're willing to buy, so we beg them.
If when you talk,
So-
no hold on your head and
So
talk.
what you trying to say? Me or your father not willing to buy it? And that you trying to say
Me
right
never
now?
say that. We say my friend will do it. So we just make them buy. So we
What
don't
kind
pressure
of deal you and your friend in that? That's your friend will do it.
Because he's a good friend.
No, let me tell you something. You have some friend, when them feed you and them clothes you, something in return. If it's a man, in one front. Yes, if it's a woman, in one sell it to somebody.
Exactly.
You hear words say, fatten fall for mangoes. Them are fattening you for something, and I don't want to have to give you this cutlass, you know. You see this cutlass? I don't want to have to give you one. I saw me give you one, I saw me give your mama one.
Put on.
Alright, done now, done. Done. I may need to finish this conversation now. You
So, which
understand?
conversation? I'm not involved in it.
Some private.
A mother and daughter.
What could have private in this house here?
We I
What?
mean? We I mean?
In this
Some
house here?
mother, we can have a
Some
mother and daughter
can
talk.
have a talk.
No, when you come on to my house, my residence here where you want to call it, I have to come out of school to take care of it. Because
You know what's to protect yourself.
you
when time you go
know
there.
say you didn't stop me when Nia came. You pull me.
So you know
Me a
what's to
pull
pull
up.
out.
I was, but you hauled me down. Mama, you hauled me
And
down.
if you never want you to push me away, I not do it anyways.
Anyway, this is a one in all left here. Me I go on the road, cause me have a yard work to do. You see me now? I want pick me decide if you have for the rest of my life. That's why I don't impregnate your mother again. I enter impregnate. Me now anyone you want be. You see you now. It's like how you tattoo up yourself and you bore your nose, you gone through the door. Me can't talk that again. You up married.
My name is
Me
Shaitan.
come here come see you with it. And you go and road behind the back go do it. I mean I know how to take out
You
it.
never there. You never in front of me. You turn your back. Someone do it behind your back.
You have mouth. You have mouth. Oh really? You have mouth. You have mouth. Me have one poop on a ram. Yeah? Anyway, and that me I talk about. As we said, me not planting and I'm gonna pick me. You own your mother is enough because it one enough.
Only I'm like you, Rasta Giant man.
Me head dry now. I head dry now. Eh?
No, he wait.
As we say now. You see, if you ever think you're bad, vomit. Just vomit in ya.
So what if she
So anybody that can vomit?
Just vomit.
come
So
go
everybody
now
what that's
later.
supposed to
Me
mean?
want to talk to my
Eh?
daughter about
And
something.
vomit what that's supposed to mean?
Yo, if you want to know what it's supposed to mean, vomit. But if you don't want to know, don't vomit. Because if you vomit, the same pain you feel, the same pain your mama go feel. Because it look like say, she don't know if it control you. I'm tell you already set up by Holy Pastor start bringing ya. Rasta man don't eat salt because Rasta start raising nature.
So true, you know eat want salt in your food. We can put salt in our food.
Your father can't tell me that. So I'm not even listen to
We
you
and
when
you are
talk.
two different persons. We eat meat, you eat vegetable.
Why not? Wanna come have a feeling.
Put on your mash shape. Put on
You see
your
that
mash shape.
26 year, not 28. You see that 26 year? I go and put it across the jawbone. You want a next tattoo? You're going to surely
Go
get
for
one.
picnic, go live with that. You must have crazy, like something wrong with you. Take time and go and back a walk.
So, alright. You're too she over me.
Me not.
I'm her daughter.
So, me and you are.
Your baby father.
Right. So, what that mean? We can't get another picnic. You can't get another baby father like me.
You mean by maybe better?
True.
One.
Will you?
One. No, we don't mean like that.
So, me for will
We don't
you?
mean like that. You can't get one. Come on, time. Me tell you to hold me. Where you hold me for? Where you hold me for?
You come like something wrong with you now.
Where you hold me for?
You tell me if you hold you, so me hold you. And you said not like that. So what else you want me to do?
Where
You
me-
come like something wrong with you and the house and a rasta man. Let me
Oh,
tell you this, don't lay no hand for me pitney.
okay. Remember, you know.
Stay far from me pitney. If you talk to her, but not put no hand for me pitney.
Cool. Anything you say. No put the hand pan her. Remember what you say. No put the hand pan her.
Go out her house, man. You're disgusting.
Remember what you
man.
say, no.
Go on out
No
there.
put the hand pan her. Anything she get, she say.
Come like some crosses in my life. You just in what call me?
Shanice! Shanice! Today you may call you, girl. I know you're here and you don't want answer.
Hello. Stop calling me doorway and shout. Don't shout at me doorway, mama.
Miss, me come to you. I come to Shanice. Your name Shanice?
See to
Your
me.
name?
I glad how I see you, you know. Me glad how I see you. Because it coming like say, you are the ring leader. Cause my sister come like a idiot, you know. Cause I realize, you know, you're 13. And she a 14. Come like you are on her head. Because me look for you, you know. Me see trouble. You bore up your nose, ears 2 times, tattoo everything. Belly, all, watch out. They must sit me here. Tattoo all about. Hair, braid. Yawa.
Hot girl summer. Hot girl summer now.
Hot girl summer now.
Hot girl summer now.
I get some now.
Me not tell you.
Let me tell you this.
Your sister, your sister will come to.
Hello! Show her back doing something, don't call her. Me tell you this now. You see that me know why my sister up and down on the road with you. A education you have to take and go to school. You up and more hot girl summer all nails. Any day Shanice think she bad. Put on a tattoo, bore navel, and go up nose, a backside down.
You're she mother or sister? Which one?
I mean, as big sister, mommy they are foreign and me left in charge. Education is the key. Man is not the key. When man breed you, and God left you, and we go bad pan.
How nice run us so far?
Me come to you, your sister attack me like she well after me from a long time.
Where we are go?
Look up on the road, girl.
What
Mama,
problem?
what you think you go look so?
Yes, me press me navel and more show everybody.
A person that?
You blind?
I'm nasty.
Oh, no, boy, here's a good girl.
Yes, sir, dear.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You know, run up my blood pressure, you know.
What
Anyhow, you ever walk out of yard, Shanice? Me and you. But the road never shame you. Tell what?
Come.
You're bad.
My pussy a jump.
Right.
By you.
This a girl. Oh, I'm mashing.
Hi.
Hey, Wami.
How are you?
Yeah,
My name is
good.
Amanda. What's yours?
Can call me first class.
Nice name. You look nice too.
Yeah, thanks. I don't want to say you live.
Your body thick and nice though, I like it.
Yeah, feel more sweet, so.
Yeah. I mean, where I come from.
How we are look for?
No, don't worry about that. Anyways, I have a woman.
No?
You sure?
Sure.
So we can't be that woman there.
Which one?
The one where you don't have.
You don't want to be one woman who I not have?
Want me the one where you don't have.
They can't be more woman, yes.
Not the side I'm baby father.
I lie, your baby father.
Yes.
Me not think you say Papa your baby father.
That's what me have. And I'm your father.
Oh.
But they are gone.
They are easy, man.
Whole life.
Life is good, you know.
Yeah.
So far. Want some more money, but things are going still.
You have to work towards that, man.
You know him? You know why?
See her around.
They'll see each other and talk to each other.
Oh.
Oh, what? So your man,
Soon to be.
you like her?
She nice, she alright. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you go now?
Me just a walk and stretch my legs them.
Oh, I'm
Just
me there
decide to
wait for.
stop.
Yes, and I decided
Yeah.
to stop and heal you.
Right. So you can't go now.
Oh, sorry, oh. Me.
Alright, come.
Not today.
Later. One.
Are your friend?
Nah, not really. Kinda. In a one way, but no. If you get what me I say. Anyways, we can't get a number. She always matter.
Pull
Put
your
a number
phone.
in this. Come. Hold on. Put a number in this. I'll make sure I write number and another fake number.
I get it right number, man.
Good.
See ya. You can see you first class.
Alright then.
I don't live far now. I live up on the road.
Alright then. Me did I go down in a town still, so we link up.
I see you around.
Alright.
I say every time I come for me, I go to.
So not here with now.
No.
I wanna
Come
go.
here, you start me, man.
Me and stalk you or you try to start me.
Cause I pass, I'm still. How we look up this?
I hear me I look up in the bush man wonder what
Oh,
going
be a
on.
man live up here, so you know.
Mm.
Man out there, you did I go.
No, say your mom have trouble and something, my friend.
I'm talking. My time now, my time.
Say I did now, so
Like how first time me ask you for my number. You want to come?
me can't not go work my friend. Now I'm gonna jail.
Why?
Me can't go easy no man, easy one.
Stop
Keep
being
it on
so
your
stop
side,
like
keep it on
a
your
gangster.
side, keep it on your
I'm
side,
like
man.
a gangster.
No man, keep it on your side, man. It's a prison work and I mind that.
What you mean by?
Me no want to go to prison right now.
Back up. And yeah, next time, me can't miss me and you, they move.
Easy no slim
13-year-old, they near 13-year-old,
no, man, me easy,
14-year-old.
man. Man, making us, me no want to go to prison for your
Hold on,
man.
son.
Why you are the done so?
Me say if tell me I call walk on look for things that you drop me and make. Where should I go, girl? Take which man?
Yo, slip, easy no slim as.
Move up. Must well now, I'll go. Yeah, next one, no. Oi.
Yo, easy no, man.
You're
Easy,
big
no.
man.
No,
And I'm
yo.
near you there.
Calm down, no
And
slim
if
as.
on the road with little pitney and rub you up.
Yeah, easy already, so I go on me for easy off. Me no want to go to prison for you, right now.
50% na conversation with little pitney.
No, man, I'm telling you, how long I look up in your bush. Come here, some look nice in your bush. I go on. I say, well, now I go on.
Listen to me. I mean, I tell you the last time. Me now ramp. It's my sister. It's a 14-year-old. It's a 14-year-old picnic. And listen to me. Education, if they talk about, you make a little 13-year-old if I road and rub your down. You want to rub down?
Calm down, no man.
You want me rub your down?
Calm down.
See me rub your down there. What more you want?
You're too aggressive, man.
Because me upset. You're a big man. I ain't road with two little picnic and look them.
No, I trouble with that, my friend. Trouble.
You ever know such a way to chat to them?
No, I them top of my foot.
You look as if you lick off your headpiece.
Calm down, no, man. You don't have to go so far, man.
Where you go?
Yes, I'm trying to look up in the bush easy.
Why look up in the bush? You have one girl come meet you?
Now you alone me have, man.
Me don't know that. Man a wicked and liar than a man a dog.
Girls are all joke, but you alone me have.
Me don't know jugs. Like, me a jug are the best jugs ever have. You hear?
I can't say so do about.
But you ain't with that chat too, man. The next time, ever catch you down my little sister. A box off your head.
You little who?
I'm a sister.
A prisoner want to send me?
No. Are you top a roadside with her? A chat off your mouth.
Them come and talking with me slim as me, I tell you now here.
In a talking with you. You don't go about your business. Just stand up in a conversation with a little picnic. And rub down your body.
Rub down.
You want rub down?
Yes, you rub down.
You want song for rub down?
Easy now, man.
You want me rub you down? You know say me a mad girl and me not laugh when it come on to you. Me really
easy
mad.
Slim as I say.
And the next time, me see you on the road with no girl. Me a limb off your head.
That's shut up, man.
Hello, you.
Yes, I.
What do you know?
Hello. Me glad me see you, you know. You see your little daughter where you have. Control that. Control your little daughter we have.
My daughter to your yard.
Huh?
My daughter yard.
No. Your daughter come over my yard this morning, come call up my sister out of the yard, right? And your daughter have yes. So Mr. Toasted, anyone she come out of the yard, me come look for her.
My daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Come out of your yard.
Yes, and them, yes.
I'm going.
Over my yard, come call my sister, me catch him for another rub down me man. It's a pervert, yeah.
Jesus.
Baron!
So, what kind of name you
A
put
rub
for me now?
down. No, he's a
What kind of name you
pervert.
put for me now?
You is a pervert.
Rasta, where are you, Rasta?
He's a pervert.
Rasta.
Pervert.
Rasta, easy,
Where
Rasta.
you do with my daughter?
Rasta, not like that, Rasta. Rasta.
Where you do with my
Rasta,
daughter?
easy, Rasta.
Answer me.
Rasta, me in a bush, Rasta. I look up in the trees, Rasta. Some style, Rasta.
Eh.
And to the top, I ask you a question. I see,
Eh.
I say, you are going on the children, just keep on your journey. Because you know, say, you're pretty work on nothing, boy.
This when your school picnic stop up on the road.
No, them stop a foot.
Alright, it's when them stop a foot, aye.
Yeah.
And them ask any question like them look your eye.
Yeah.
If you can't find some courage in the bush, aye,
Mm-hmm.
your jaw with some of them eye and rub you over them skin, make them left you alone.
Next time I do that.
You don't hold no long argument.
No, man, he's short.
Because if me did come here a while ago and see you and them put me that time have your hand up on you. For your hand gone and your neck gone.
Oh, bless you.
Control your daughter. Go on with your business.
Somebody say you don't see much.
Go on with your business. Me check you later.
All
If
right,
you talk to you about your daughter now. You see your daughter? Your daughter going like a too much big woman.
My daughter virgin.
Where? And I rub down man pan road. And have a tattoo.
Me never see that eye.
Hello? Me see that? And come over here and talk about her pum pum a jump. Pum pum a jump. Pum pum is jumping. 13-year-old. Pum pum a jump. Pum pum a jump for your 13-year-old.
No worry, I go home.
Yeah, you go home. I saw she gone, not home. 13 years, up a yard, me, I go wait for her one day. You're lucky.
Never check my yard to see if you are alive. Because I left my daughter this morning with her mama. Because them in a house whole meeting. Like a parliament house.
Mm-hmm.
So me, I go back up there. Go see if she's still in a parliament house.
Oh, parliament.
Because I must parliament
All right,
house.
let me tell you this. And listen to me carefully. Is there any that ever come back over me yard again? Me I broke her up, send her over to you. Me I limb her all the tattoo, they go clean off when me done with her. She brown. That how she brown.
Any day, my daughter want come over there limbo. Remember say, I know she alone a limbo.
How they go limbo?
Me I come for you.
Come for me. Me just beat her, you know. With this, I'm not afraid for chat.
Amanda. What?
Nothing as you can see, I'm perfectly okay.
You're perfectly okay. Amanda. Me know you from... How long me know you? From primary to high school days?
Something like that.
You feel somebody... As a matter of fact, you see man we are talking to this morning, me never want him. Right? Me just come there and say that. But Amanda, you're not changed. You not decide to change your life and settle down.
Change. You know, change. The only thing me change are my clothes. And me have you up now, nothing.
Have me up?
Nope.
No, why you would have me up?
Exactly. Why would I have you up?
I don't would like to know.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, you need to change your style. Because one of them day, you go get a fine ass in your life.
And who go beat me? Jesus?
The people, them, woman, stop take people, man, girl.
Wow. I want to think people man nice, I'm gonna stop take people man. That's what me for.
As a matter of fact, you're taking wrong people, them, man.
Well, so you go.
So you go.
Mm-hmm. So you go.
No wonder why me and can be friends. Because you have too much dirty attitude. And bird of a feather flock together. And me not stay like you, so.
Well, you see me, you know, music type of person, you know, I can beg friend.
So who did I walk and beg a friend?
I never said you're walking and begging friend. I did not say that.
No.
You say, oh, you can be friend with me, with a person like me.
No, me say I know why me and you are not friend.
Oh, basically, the same thing we just say. You have nothing else to say?
No, I don't have anything else to
Because I have a
say.
man figure catch.
You're not change.
No.
Me
I'm
pray
not
for
gonna
you.
I don't need.
I'm fast for you.
Aye.
Because something wrong with you.
Oh. I feel like nothing wrong with me though. It's just that who just nice. I'm not stop take it.
Just settle down and change your life, and because you look like you need little fixing, as a matter of fact. So later, girl. Bye.
Let me know what to say. What's your Popeye?
How is it?
Are you that?
How are you again? Oh,
You remember me?
oh, Manda, what?
Yeah, turn Rasta to Clatool.
So, what wrong with Rasta? Huh?
You never saw nothing wrong with Rasta. I like your locks.
Oi. When I talk, you see this, me not play with me natty. Play with anything else, but not the natty.
Oh, I can play with anything else.
No, not anything else, but
And
anyway.
you just say me can play with anything else.
So, yeah,
So why you change your
why rush? Because of my yard, me I try to reach to save my daughter their yard, you know.
Anyways, me go wire, you know. No long talking. Me go wire.
Why me?
Me this stutter when me talk.
Why me?
We can cook some callaloo for you and some, you know.
By the way, I steam, color steam, but
Whatever you do.
or you cook it though.
Like it's a callaloo, you wash it, you cut it up, you cut up your pepper, your tomato, your sweet pepper. You use an oil, you throw it at the pot, dash in everything, and that is it. I have little use. You're going to let me not have no use. How about this man?
Mama, you see the Rasta you see looking, you see the Rasta where you look at, right?
Me not blind.
I don't steam my color with oil. Cause I don't know where them get them oil from. You see them people that are going to patty shops and them buy vegetable patty. Them still on your beef. It's not vegetable patty them eating eye. Because you see the one make the crust, it's cow fat. Cow fat make the crust. I don't deal with those things. I deal with eye things naturally. Straight from the ground. When you steam eye callaloo, you have to use water. Natural. And you can just give me tank water in my cooking. You have to go to the spring to deal with eye, or you buy a bottle of spring water and look for eye food. You see me? And I don't have an empress down there when me well satisfied with. So I can't take 2 ilaloo in my plate one time. You understand?
You're done.
No, me not done I. What you have to say though?
You think I say you did a ball before you turn Rasta? You used to name oil, you used to name dumpling, you used to name banana, yam, all sort of something.
It's just like when that woman.
All meat.
It's just like when time you used to.
Meat.
Don't repeat that word to me. That is why you couldn't get eye.
Meat.
Because I couldn't stay with you because you love repeat.
Yeah, me love repeat.
The one time I give you a look back shot, you fought for I. That's why I top deal with you. I deal with your friend because you're a friend, know if you do it naturally. Because when me did have her upon a little back shot, she said, babes, me want fat, move. I move. You put pan and go tell me, boy, gas. Gas your backside. I look at Jimmy just drop dead. When me smell your fat, he think, I'll now me still remember that. That's why when time I upon my woman at night time, and if you ever think about what you do me, it not gonna rise. So we not gonna have no connection, mama, because you are gonna put pan again. and me can't take no poop. You understand?
Why? Fear Bobo J, you're just dirty. You're dirty bad.
I dirty what me do.
You're
And the dirty what
dirty.
here.
Bring them out, you're dirty. Bad.
Me go to school.
But like we said before, if we want to, we can get a simple 1, 2, 3.
Look for me good.
Look for me good.
Look for the eye good.
Because for your hair, you look fake no rotted.
Me look like a market where you can just come and take up anything.
But you look fake. You don't look like a market, but you look fake. All the things must fake too. Yeah, you may talk. You look fake.
Come here. You shouldn't move. You shouldn't. Let me go on my yard. You hold up my time. I can't go catch up my daughter now.
Jesus Christ. Oh, no.
Where you come from, little girl?
Wait there. Oh, I'm breathe. Jesus Christ. I nearly lose my life.
Where me and Nell lose your life? Where did
You know, I'm up. I shot me there. I'm here, my friend, a ramp, you know. Yeah. I'm here for run. I will nearly fight. So, yeah.
One did all fight for?
I look at you, me run with her and she take it personal.
You have to be careful, girl. You
So
have to just
Jesus
get up
Christ,
and
I'm tired.
run. And not any drug people run. You understand? So you have to be careful.
Okay,
So
Jesus
when you left the
Christ.
yard, for me not tell you if you not left the yard.
No, 2 yard boring, man. You know, I can't stay in a yard by myself. So I'm going to leave my friend now. We'll go up on the road. Jesus Christ, I'm sit down. Tired, man. Oh, Lord.
I don't understand you. Like, you know your father, I don't know what time your father coming, so I don't know, I have to go call him and find out what I have to cook or whatever. So what you want for dinner?
That's two chicken and white rice. That's my FIFA.
Are you want to cook dinner?
No problem.
I'm kind of feel tired and frustrated. Like,
But him saying him not like meat, so how that's how we go now?
remember, say two different pot cook. Me
Oh,
cook
yeah.
your father food, you cook your food.
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm, understand.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm calling.
Yes.
Actually, I just ask
Oh, me?
Yeah, ask him to look more.
What you feel about?
What me feel look more for you?
So you don't know me eat.
Me know you eat, but suppose I want me buy fish.
If it's not pop char, it's callaloo, right? If it's not callaloo, it's cabbage.
So you don't want fish?
No, me don't want no fish today. I mean, me take Irish today. You know, and you me come out, you know, because me, I rush
Every day you
come
Every day
out.
come on me.
I want.
Me, you know what she did there today?
She did the shop with her friend and she run a joke with her friend and she friend and run her down.
No, she round the corner with man.
You need to be on the corner with man?
Locked down with man. I rubbed up man chest.
Yeah.
Like I realized it to him a bus feather. He ready to fly.
What?
But tell him to clip that wing there. Me we clip it.
I don't understand. What you did there?
Shop with my friend.
What you did there?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know what that video rub down man, you tell me about me.
If me did that, you would have dead. You would have dead. D-E-A-D-D-D-D-E-D. Dead.
Who teacher?
She would have dead.
I am a teacher English, Daddy.
You want your math teacher know English?
No.
Guess what? Nobody good answer. But what you did there today?
Shop.
What you did there? Cause I could never shop you did there. Your father reach us so fast.
You know, Wendy. Let me tell you who are she going on there. So, you know the jagger nose girl, film, look at sister. The black tall girl there, with the big nose.
Kayla.
Yes, she her sister and she round the corner and rub down man chest.
You don't lie.
But them a twine here in a man chest. Yes.
What?
Twine ear in a man chest, where you get that from? Tell them make dirty foot Kayla pull up your head and foolish.
Manners.
Just who
Respect.
know overfoot dirty. When I pop off them foot, they say you can't come back out here now another day again. And when you want to know, you want to come carry him, pick the pan eye in here. After I can feed you and your
So which
mama.
man that they then did a rub down?
You are ask eye.
Now you get the information. So
No,
you
me
must
a
get all
say.
of the information.
So me a go around and take down man name.
I don't know, but you're supposed to know a man where Nobody come in with your foolishness.
Yes, me know the man. Yes, me know the man. Me know the man. But me not no full evidence. But, you see, any day name day, me a company road and see out my two yard them myself. Trust me, that going to be the last day you see road. Because me a whole educated two yard them. Because if I two yard them...
Hello. Me not care no blind yeah, picnic come here.
Pretend like him bad blind.
No, me not
Blighty.
I'm gonna tell you something. You know, say me a
and when you just say a while ago, you look for eye, and say eye black, eye bright. Yes, eye bright. I go to school. And your mother make me have to come out of school. That's why I done.
Who
Yes,
make you
I.
come out of school?
Yes, I.
Why you can never control yourself? You come blame me for me. And not my fault.
Listen, I say, why are you bad enough? We should have believed that you have to come out bad enough. But if I did just clip your little wing before you reach two, you wouldn't reach it. So actually, you see your mother, you see a little short them, and a little mini skirt them. That's why, yeah, we never go on the road. But
nothing wrong with them here when me a man.
You say me fit near all man.
I know what him.
but watch this now.
I'm modern time now.
When you road up a place so far, like you love road.
What am I look for? What am I help you?
I have some gesture. But I can't find them.
How we are putting a dress?
And you are going to start with Jess.
Me not wearing a dress.
No belly skin round here.
Hey, what wrong with you? You not choose no clothes to my opinion. What am I where you come here for? What back at work?
Let me ask you a question. You are sell out my daughter?
Me not sell out a daughter, but I know all woman.
Why she dressed like a harlot? Why she pays her neighbor?
I feel your neighbor? I feel your body? I feel your skin?
Okay.
It's up to she, up to you, not because you're father.
Oh, so up to she. So if she come to you and say, Mommy, me feel like me want to go to the road and take a cucumber. You are going to
Me not gonna say that.
Me not gonna make me daughter.
I'm not gonna ask my mother that.
And that's what come here for?
Yeah, because you say up to she. So you give her the privilege.
Me never say up to she if you go take man. Did I tell you to take man?
No.
I
No.
ever introduce her to any man? Okay.
But she couldn't bright. Think you bad. Find a man and everything. I'm not talking. Go in the room and chat to your mama. Go in the room. Give me that phone for the rest of the day. Go on.
You know our phone, boy?
Go on your room.
Alright, make sure you listen to my mother, you know.
How is she that? You in your night time, me understand the fear room that way down so. But you go and control your night. You can't feel like I got a broke road. I mean, I want to make you happy.
So I cannot say stand then.
Tell me, he said me if you take time. Eh?
Yes.
Take time for what? Next thing when me take time, remember you tell me, say, any day I fail you, That day somebody will replace me and I don't want to be replaced.
That was my words.
Because you say you don't want to give me bun, so me must make sure I don't fail. So I eat up all vegetable. Because you see them guys the way I eat meat, them not have no use. I have all the use. I have the gimity and the gravity. Because when they put it into you, you put it out back to me. And I put it back to you, you push it out. I put it in, you push it out. I push it in.
Alright, don't know. Going back at work. And that's come here for?
No, baby. No love you still enough.
Love it.
Respect, no problem.
Later. When I come back home.
Send to you, baby.
Bye.
Remember, I beach.
Yes, I beach.
Okay. No pop chai today, no Isla Lou. I beach. Yeah, baby.
Bye.
Get up. Wake up, mama. Wake up, man. Wake up. You're going like you're asleep and me know you're not asleep. Get up. Now make me go out and do for the bath for the water. Get up! Wake up! Wake up before I take you bucket and lick off your head, mama. Get up! Me not ramp with you.
You don't see me asleep.
Sleep where?
In a house.
Who's to walk to the man yard? Oh, give your to walk to the man yard, come around so. First of all, we had that road with me, man. Me just on the left foot tire in front of me. Yeah. Can you feel like me there with the set draws? Me wear set draws. And me take his said man.
And me I go look, man, me wear your jaws.
Pitney. Now make me box out your teeth out of your head. Come here, we do it. Me been a calm woman and one, me see you now here. In front of me, I mock me. You're in Father God. If you're not too busy, come God. God, help me with Shanice, Father God. Father God, take the case and give me the pillar. Me can't take Shanice no more, Jesus Christ.
You can't go back to
me.
sleep.
What?
You can't go back to sleep.
Pitney.
Oh man.
Have manners. And give me the phone to no more phone. Me feel like I the phone and make you feel like you're a big man. And don't make that red king pit in the come back at me yard. Come on, not want to do road with man.
Take
Man.
money.
What?
Take money.
I'm on your man. Mommy not say enough money from foreign for you. You not get enough money. You want more money. Alright, you want more money. You see a near ya? You see if you're not here, I will take you and wipe it by your eyebrow. And you hear what it by your head. Make you go ball. Ramp with me, Pitney.
Yeah,
Ramp with me.
I earless ball.
Ramp with me. Me raising on the mother the other day. I have to mock me. I want to find something to punch your lungs, you know. No more phone and I get. A phone make you feel like you're big one. There's no big man in the house. And don't make you back on the rest of the chat to no man, especially me man. Stop mock me.
Me not go talk to your man, but me go talk to our next man.
Pity how much?
The business.
Yeah, how much?
See me get message there, mine and Shana call me, girl, cause we have somewhere to go.
Who name Dan? Who name Dan?
You don't know your man, brother?
Some man you take. Man you want.
Man, me shall get.
You know, take no man. Tell this to me, girl. Come up here, so. Come down here, so, on the bed. Come down here, so. Let me talk to you. Sit down. All man want is something under your soul, nothing else. Take your education.
What you take?
My girl.
No, let me ask you something. You have my mother, you have my sister.
Hello. Me your sister.
Okay then, be a sister. If me want man, me shall take man.
Under fufa roof.
We mama under your roof.
I could never disavow house here. I could never supply house here with a zinc top.
Take time.
I could never say wire house here. I could never this a house here. You want to take man under. Any day me find out say you right, girl. Me right off your head. You hear? Take man. Take man in here.
No lick me.
Me tell you, me talk beat up me too much on you. Beating you is not gonna do no better. Beating
No,
you not
cause
work.
as I lick me, the liquor cool. And as I lick me and it cool, I shall take a next
Read
man.
book.
But don't worry, read no book.
Alright.
Pass me for one.
I will broke your back, girl. I will
go
broke your
talk
back.
to my mother. I want the food.
Mommy don't want to hear from Mommy is disappointed in you. But you take man.
Disappointed in she breed from she 15. She
And what you want to do?
Breed on there 14.
Little girl, I will take the fan and mash up in the head. Me now mash up my piece of old fan pan you. Me lucky after you don't deserve no fan breeze. All in here is man. Top fella Shan. Shan no want nothing good. Look for Shan parents. Shan parents is workless.
I put on one tattoo.
Which tattoo? Where? I never put on a tattoo, Shanice. This a burn up your body in front of me. Shanice, I will box you over, Shanice. So go and ramp with me. Come on, look about something you feel, man. Don't left the yard. Don't left the yard and stop at me, Shanice, to see the phone at the boarding up.
If I mash up my phone,
Don't ramp with me,
I shall
Shanice.
mash up your man. So, mash it up. Mash it up.
Don't break us and hold on your ears. Come down.
Now, one nothing.
Come down. Girl, me say come down. Cool down!
Babe, you can't catch me.
Watch this little ranking picnic. Come down for me take you just and mash up your face. Come down, me say. Come down for the bed. Lord Jesus Christ, me no breathe. You make me that hot me.
Me I sure not forget Pitney.
Come down for the bed, Chinese. Chinese, come off of the bed. Oh God. Our mommy really put me under. Turn this and hold your ears. Hold your ears and your foot. Your 2 foot them too.
I'm for me 2 foot them plus me ears. You idiot.
I know you want to take man under your hole.
I saw me take it.
Pitney, turn up. 1 foot. And no move. Let me go cook. They get up and talk about man. Man.
What go on in there, sir? What go on in there, sir? What kind of parliament business are going on in there, sir?
Parliament business now go on. Just outside, I see come in and I see she eat and me I wonder with mine there. I know you come right in front of me and eat and not even say if you want to. I want to eat. Because that smell like a meat and you say you're rasta enough to eat meat, you know.
I eat meat.
You know what that in the plate?
I eat some mixed vegetable.
Come and see mixed vegetable.
Mixed
You see, you don't even know if it's safe to all your lie.
veggie jumps, the fine one. I eat that.
Veggie junk do not look so. Veggie junk fine, some fine something.
Me not eat.
Fine. It kind of fatty.
Fatty, yeah, black. Let me see what color in like that.
Red.
Mixed veggie chunks me I eat. Mix.
One here mixed veggie chunks.
Yo, listen me.
A veggie chunk.
But the beef where?
Be a grasta.
I eat. That bully beef you make it iron yam. A bully beef you cook on the stove in a my pot. Who do that? Who do that? Who cook bully beef pan in a my pot?
I don't know what I eat it though. It is good, don't it?
You like
Yes,
it?
good way.
You done the food to Rasta.
Fire!
Murder. You can't continue eating. Let me answer the phone at a drop.
Finish it.
Finish
I
what?
can't go and continue.
Finish what?
I'm gonna feed the baby. Come.
You decide.
Come now, baby. Come.
Who cook the cow in a my pot?
I made the cookie.
But you already eat the cow.
But you eat half more side, baby.
So why?
Rasta again, me have to go cut it last.
Yeah.
Go feed scissors.
But remember I feel like that from long time, so you know
Go feed scissors.
Selassie, I know.
Rastafari, Jano.
And the cow tastes good too, you know.
Yeah.
Don't touch eye. Don't touch eye. Don't.
Eat up, daddy, eat up before it food get cold.
You better come out here. You better come out
Come
here.
on, come and picnic case.
Wherever
Wherever
I
you
be.
leave me picnic alone.
The eye. Go in the kitchen and my pot that I think is mixed vegetable.
So you know how mixed vegetable look? Then bully beef.
Every day you yam, you don't know what you yam say. Me cook mixed vegetable, me cook veggie chunks, whole heap of time. And you don't know veggie chunks.
You have veggie chunks that big. You have mixed vegetable that is fine.
No red.
Let me say.
I think I put food coloring on them.
Why they put food
You
coloring
don't
on
have
veggie
food
chunks?
coloring, so why would I give food coloring?
And
Makes sense.
taste
You
it.
did one, yummy.
Man, I bet. You sweet.
Come on, sir. Come out. Come out.
Left me picnic.
You see, you know? You decide.
Yeah, this sir. Babe, come.
Me nah eat no matter mood. Me nah eat it.
Come now, tap in eyes.
What me say?
I know that.
What me say?
I know that. Finish eating, cause you almost eat out. Watch out.
You decide, man. I can't tell my friend them to me eat the cow. I can't do that because I am spiritual.
Them won't know say you name the cow unless you chat say you name the cow.
Me? Me not that, you know. But you know, if you pick me, if you don't tell him to lock him up because anybody on the road see me.
You go tell us if you not tell nobody. And then see if she not carry out the road at the time. You just don't say nothing.
Where are you that way?
You know that story.
I go that way. I know no more. I want to eat your food. Go on.
You want to say chicken? They eat cow, no, so you can eat chicken too.
The family good.
No, no.
Me look like I want Rasta if you ramp it. Eh?
What ramp with you? Yeah, name that, so you must can name that.
Bird! What you call that? I don't even know what to call it. I describe it. This is a
They
mistake.
chop a piece in the fine still last day, so you name everything in a one combine.
You go on, eh? Your last straw and you all look fun.
Shanice! Shanice! The girl you sleep, so. Road, you don't know sometimes come here road one. You busy when your sister come up, me show you and style me do all my mother something, you know. You should not even know. Can't make roll up your head like your head.
Where you learn that kind of from?
No, me did me sit up, no.
She know me sleep.
Yeah. Alright. No, you can't do that, girl. Ready.
Good girl, good. Safe sleep. Good.
We're glad to see how you may come to.
You good?
No.
I'm too.
You remember so we do something right?
Yeah, you did like it?
Me did like it, but
Well,
come pay up, me no work for free.
so you didn't tell me say your money is something.
Me no work for free. Come.
Me not no money, you know.
You don't expect say if you wash, you know.
So you tell me say from then time that you know wash.
No, me no mean so. But if you wash, me no mean that way they come. Me have to buy How much is it?
Murder, friend, I born out of my mother. No man never do me so.
What you do so?
So you tell me say you do something and you know wash your something from the time.
Girl, me no mean so. Of course, my pum wash. My pum always wash. But me do the thing and him no pay me and hit me come for.
Me never know what say. She never tell me say I not pay a thing. Me think you just like me and say you the one there with me.
Wow, and that's how this thing work.
I'm a friend from school days, you see?
Yeah.
You see, there when me see two anu, why you think me ask her if I like her? Because me know say a chick studies. She no want nobody. She just
I'm not.
walk and
Want
fling
me tell you what I am a hustler. Me no trickster.
She's a
Me hustle. Me use me pum for hustle. How?
Charmer. Me can't manage,
Anyways,
you know.
me come for me dividend.
Me soon get make you get it. Me not
Oh,
money
so
now.
when you saga me did tell us say wait. No,
But
come.
you never tell me at that time.
Me
Say
don't
you
need
me
to
have
tell
to
you that. You're supposed to know. So when you saga me, you go come for me. You come.
You did tattoo for sale over it, me know. Or put in your forehead. No money. Marika, give me a money now, me give her.
No.
So me I go do. Me not hand on, now.
How much money if you go get this year for that day? After me never get it. I mean, I want something like that.
Come.
She say you want wash.
I don't know what's friend.
I got a call friend.
I don't know how you go under
Your
this.
friend.
Why am I skinny out? You smell nothing?
No, but
Thank you.
and you attack like say you know wash
pay
it.
up. Me I wait too long,
Hey,
you know.
here what go on. You see, when me see you again, me I double it give you.
There won't
Like
be
how in my mind. Like how in my mind now.
It won't be a next time. Come.
Me not have it now, so me say next time me gonna double it.
Manda,
Give you.
how you do your so?
Who you again?
Okay,
How me know you from?
me made it take my man one time.
Hey!
When that? I can't recall. Me take how much teen man?
Remember the man jawbone. When me catch you him in a bed.
Oh, that one there. That mash mouth one there. Oh.
Hello.
Hey,
Where are you, son?
what
You know what?
Them a
Pay
little
me.
careless girl, yeah. I sell she sell in front, you know.
me know.
You know what now?
You know now.
Yeah, me know now.
Listen, me and you will start out this. Come on, you hear? But
Alright.
just make sure you pay me.
Move.
Me want my money.
Next time I double.
Read me lips. Me want me money.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Man, let me tell you this, Amanda. Plain and straight. You see,
Awa.
you know,
Awa.
me don't want my sister to come like you. You is a whore.
Me not even know your sister. Me go forever be whore and my body I'm go whore it out. I decide to whore it
Your
out.
body
and
soon
me
done out.
go, girl, this
Yeah,
can't
walk with
done.
community mattress under your foot.
It can't done.
It a go
Awa,
done.
it can't
No.
done.
Make me buck you with my man again, girl.
I don't know put him in
Make
the
me
way.
buck you with my
No,
man
put him in
again.
the way. Come, I go take him left, right. That's
Jesus,
all in
take the
there.
wheel.
Die.
Take the
Me go
wheel,
spit
God.
it out
When
and
you
give.
take him, make sure
I'm a
somebody
tell fact.
Make sure me do that.
Yes, just
Lucky girl,
just
think
I'm a
like.
tell fact. Who you man? Come would I take him right now? Who you man?
Remember the
Let me
man
see
make
him
sure
in-
we done the road. Jawbone, little sharp man.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
So you
I'm
catch him,
my man.
you catch him with him and I
Yes.
still there with him.
I'm my man, I'm fair man.
Anyway,
I'm my man.
But
me
he
go take him
and
again.
give
Be
you back.
gone.
No.
He take him
My
and
man
give
just
you
see my
back.
one little one knock off her. Her pum pum.
Alright, him a call up my phone door.
He say, "Ma
Check
call
his
him
phone
phone."
and you will see. Be
My
gone.
girl, relax. Me soon start out that.
What?
You can't be out in the loose girl there. Yeah, spoil her reputation.
Me never know what she do. So give me for your number.
Huh?
Let me fix back my reputation.
Me not, no, me not want nobody with a mingle with she. Right now in life,
Me nah mingle with she.
what you do then?
Me just say
Wingle
hey.
on her?
Me just say hey.
I'm gone on that day just by saying, hey, listen to me. You see right now,
Things
my
happen.
mother gone. I have to take care of my sister.
Mm-hmm.
So me now look for no loose boy for me to run back at 24/7 and say, I want if more give me bun with that girl down the road. Me
Then
never
job
that.
one no give you bun with that girl down the road.
It better me tell me job one down come with you because you like you're worse a criminal, like you will give me bun.
I don't
can't
believe in
take bun.
that. A cheese.
Listen to me. I have heart failure. I have heart disease.
So you walk without heart then now.
Yes. Can me catch on the road with one girl, then I drop them and die. I'm not ready to die as yet.
You nah catch me with
But me
no.
I'll give you my number. I left my phone over here at pan charge. Make it fast. And you may even start talk. Don't talk to that girl then.
Me don't talk to
Cause
her.
me
Me
a
not
mad
talk to
girl.
her
My name
again.
Kayla. What's your name?
Kayla, first class me name.
Alright, nice to meet you first class. Don't chat a little waste patch of girl then.
Alright, me go
Let
and
me
call you.
Yes, call me, bye.
One more. I want to see, yeah.
Girl, let us walk left me so.
I'm so short.
So I'm still in my sleeping mood, you know.
better get active up.
How about we are going now?
Hey.
Hey, what's up? Good?
What's your name?
First class.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for
First
you,
class.
my name Babes. Trouble me, trouble you, man. What
Oh,
go
my
on?
name is Sean.
Sean, your name?
So you do a test.
Just there, I talk on my phone and I hold a one cigarette, you know?
They do the same thing, they're not good for you.
Yeah?
Shanice! I know you this. I could never use this.
How that?
I know Shanice sister.
Your sister?
I could never Shanice. I could never use.
So you move somebody, Maddy?
I'm kind of mad. I have to see with him.
Sister, you know what do I
You kinda psycho.
Someone do oppressor. Yeah. Our sister.
So you know, say,
You don't talk cause
No.
you know me have to run going so
Anyways, we can get your number.
yeah, man. Just put in for you on my phone.
You me no idiot. Okay, alright. Miss Big Woman. Miss Big Woman.
So anyways, you would have go for one dinner.
I don't know be rich.
Who guy
I
part?
can't believe that already fit under the sheet. Come here. Come here. Yeah,
So you deal with your sister?
You know them how much?
18 and 19.
Wait, 13 over here, so when they take something before time.
Let me
14-year-old.
So how them pierce up and they them pierce us and look so?
God, them bad. Me tell me look, you say come like Jabon. Me look pa and say to you, say, me a struggle with me little sister over here, so. And she not.
Mind your papa off in ears.
Yes, sir.
No papa.
No, I don't pay you make
Mind
you
your papa off in ears.
come up here, so little girl. Yo,
So I say you're
it's a
rough.
pedophile.
I say you're rough. You do them so rough.
Come on. Me don't want to tell us, my mother.
Where I come from?
Where me feel they come from? Me a big man and I think me a pitney.
Alright, you're a big woman, you're no picnic. Where your daughter there?
I don't know, end up on the road somewhere with our friend.
On the road.
Yes, why your problem?
Somewhere with our friend.
Yes, I want.
You sure the man you actually there?
You look girl now got no man here. They love think bad boy pitney. That man I like with you.
Dirty papa! Hold your pitney. Hold your pitney.
I want.
Hold her.
I want.
Sit up and road with man.
See, to me, try to show you.
Man!
Look at girl. Look at girl. Why you not top?
Shut up. Oh, you know Sandy the pan road with man.
Hello.
Hey,
Cause see my sister
Don't
here.
touch her.
I go catch them with man. Tell me
So what then did I do with the man?
Mama! Rub down, man, I take my phone number.
Touch me.
Mama, come up,
You did I rub down man
in the
the
crowd.
Oh, you see me rub down the man and take man phone number.
Tell them the truth, I'ma lick off your headpiece in front of them.
That did that happen?
No. What happened then, little girl?
We did a pass and we say good evening to the man.
And turn up a pop out phone, I think me never
We
see
never
you.
tell up on the phone. It's something papa
So
up
why
on the crux and
always
she a
attacking
fix
little
it.
pitney them like this?
Shut your mouth.
What? I go to Pitney.
Shut your mouth.
And you make your Pitney bore papa.
Oi, when you trouble people them pitney.
Don't let me, sister. My box out
I
your
want
head.
to this a hooligan in my house. Lower your voice. Oh,
No.
your son of
Sit
you.
me.
Take time
What
and
do I
talk.
You see
No,
her, you see
that
her when she bad. Nobody don't put her hand on her. One your man. And control your daughter.
Control your sister. You know, see him a touching man locks. Him man not like when people touching locks. Don't touch him man locks. Hey, there's a German. You don't have nothing about you. And you come here and talk about me that. I'm next time I tell her this. You see, next time I put your hand on me pitney, you're not gonna like it.
I'm going to do it.
Calm
We
down,
are
mama.
we are back up on me.
Man, yeah, do this person, mama.
I don't afraid of you nor your
This
sister.
I don't like it.
I will thump you in your head.
Drag your ass. Go in.
Try.
Go in.
Later, Sean.
But on later, Sean.
Tomorrow. Bully beat this morning.
Where you want me for? Where you want me for?
What me want to but you're going like a lie. You know, me bully beef this
What is it
morning.
this
Oh,
morning?
you're a Rasta and eat.
Vegetable.
A bully beef me here.
Anyway,
Anyways, before I check aside, and then you may come to. You are our mother. I mean, if you talk to her, you're a big woman. And your daughter, dressing up in batty rider, coming over
Where
the
you look
house.
on? Where you look on?
printer, look
Where
at
you
her
look on?
vagina
Our next
all over
man
the
a
place.
call.
And you talk about my daughter? Huh?
Girl, you see me saying you see big people like that, shut up!
Oh, Pitney.
Come on for me to thump in your
Control
yard.
the wolf dog.
Hello. And a waff dog. If a waff dog, a waff mongrel, that's why they sell her body on the road and have a tattoo.
Oh, your daughter,
Why you
your
pick
sister
me?
not sell.
No?
No worry about my daughter.
Me sketch your daughter 2 times with me man.
With your man.
2 times.
Yes.
What my
With your
daughter
man.
do with your man?
Yes.
With your man.
Mm-hmm.
Why you not answer the phone? How would that? 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
With your man.
Yes.
I do what?
I feel
Shut up. I do what? What my daughter do with
I
your man?
laugh one more time. I go and wake
What my
you up.
daughter do
Oh,
with your
yeah,
man?
Icky.
Have you ever picked me up into a paradise?
Don't worry about
take
that.
my
I
number.
woman put on hickey.
That's your problem. You better tell me, say you catch my daughter do something. She never did that do
Boy,
nothing.
me no want catch your daughter right. I mean, no, see you know, so she a do it. But you keep here say, yo, is a worthless mama.
Like
Woman.
you.
Me no worthless mama. I'm a very good big sister. And next time, me catch your
I'll
daughter.
go my talk. You know, come out of me yard. Come out of me yard.
Sean, later.
Come out of me yard. Go on. Go on.
Tomorrow, Sean.
Just like you.
Fuck this like your papa. You know. You see what kind of embarrass you bring down in a yard?
Who bring down embarrassment in
You see
your
what
yard?
kind of embarrass?
Who bring you down in your yard?
You embarrass me. You cook bully beef in the iPad. Make I think.
Big grassy to a man like you don't know veggie tongues from bully beef. Huh?
I think it's veggie mince.
You come like you don't know sense or something wrong with
I
you.
never expect bully beef to cook in iPad. I only cook Isla Lou,
Listen,
Pop
listen,
Chai,
listen,
and
listen,
Ibis.
listen, listen.
And you have put moo in my pot.
You name me, you say nice though. It tastes good though. It nice though. Answer now.
You see that look girl?
It nice though. Hey?
You see that look girl?
You want more later? Ajo.
Yo, wait. If any pain you want to see the road, I go and make sure that you get the pain the one day. Don't worry. I go and plant your backside. You wait. You wait. Yes, I. Yeah, like that. Pop chai is wonderful. You see me? Something like how you steam it up with water. Yeah. Them time there was
Hey, me not like that this ain't too long. It been them a laugh off of me.
No, this is how you supposed to dress.
Me not like
You
this,
make the
man.
big jagger nose girl come here.
Look how this long.
No, if you're lucky and never have sweater and socks. You know, tell them they look good.
You look nice.
This is today I love me I put on. Cause me now wear this. This too long and me look like granny and me are no granny.
Listen to me.
But you just look nice, pa, yo.
Me not like it.
You look
Me
good.
not like it.
You lucky. And
Full of flowers. Like my granny all dressed.
yeah, busy take you when you go on the road. And that time they me know say you won't go on the road.
There sitting there.
And that with you know. And that with you now, you know. Me and you now go so far, you know, in a life, you know, if I say you go continue with him, you know.
Look how far we there.
Anyway, me go send you go somewhere right now, go collect your uniform because school are open up.
You know this year?
Yes.
Same way like that. You go look at Sister Pat. Tell him say if even if you don't finish with the whole of the uniform them, and give you one out of it. And me I tell you say, me I time you. 4:45. Please, no idle on the road.
Hey, me can't put them on the road with this, sir. Me go have to run, come back where bees are swarm me.
Yeah, man, them fi swarm me, man. Them fi
So this
swarm
full
me.
of flowers.
Tell her I say me come check her tomorrow and pay her fee, but she fi give you one because more your mother steam pressy.
So you know, no money can give her. Me not like this. Me not like that whole idea, you know. For she good and they go collect uniform and no money. Give her the money. Make him pay for even one.
Me, after me pay for bill the uniform, buy the cloth, I mean, no matter of fact, and she a make it, and you can't pay for one.
Me not always lend the money. As good as all my money I use and pay for it.
Go and tell Sister Pat myself to give you one of them. You can't wait for a week. Can't wait right through the week.
Yes, me don't know.
You,
Wow.
me have to send the whole on out because me can't go nowhere today, I know. Me don't feel so good. Me have to go use the latrine. Me want you good on her Sister Bev and collect the little part of money for now. Because I never use tonight. Go to school Monday coming.
Let me get some rest first because I'm tired.
Listen,
Last night me work.
get up! What kind of work for you? At 5 minutes me give you last night. Get up!
But me tired.
I done business. Get up. Collect the money and come back. Now it's 4:46. And if you go a road and make 5 o'clock catch you, me ain't a problem.
Just see why? No, look on the time again. 5 o'clock, I have to catch me. Look on that long journey there me have to go walk.
Alright, go on.
Sometimes I wonder if something wrong with it. I'm like,
No, nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong with me. Me dey on the right track. Because I try to study little by little.
Me I study you too. So cook some more bully beef for you.
So the whole of this mean yeah, with the one little cow. I don't me alone and yam cow. Check the rest of them out there. They want yam all pork. Cow hour.
Jenna.
Up.
There, where go on?
Yeah, man.
There, you know, so I want a piece of food. Me just go collect my boy.
So we have rum for drink.
Yeah. I'm craving here for bun.
You do?
Boy, rough my boy. So
So
yeah,
yeah, when they still go down, so?
yeah. Don't they did bad. Me I wonder what you did there.
Actually, I can't swim, man. I stay far from water and
You
water.
know, you joke how lifeguard did it there, bro.
Then can't save me when me I get down. So anybody come near, I
You
drown
not
too.
have to the guy end part. You not have to go way out in the deep. It really part of the shot still. Me not gonna lie.
True.
Me enjoy myself.
Mm.
Yeah, man. So,
Next time we know plan man me forward.
you know,
still.
come now and be a chat.
Me we drive. We drive and sit down on the shore and watch, you know.
Yeah.
Make some video for you, you know. Yeah, man, that's the idea.
Boy, me not gonna lie. It is shot.
No chase and none.
Hey, girl, I take my man.
Jesus Christ.
Where you there, start with she?
Hello.
talk,
The last time I check, I sell him that, you know. So, oh, you come and say your man.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Oh.
Yes, really.
Where you there, start with she?
Bro,
You
let me
just
tell
a
you what I
reason
want
with
to your
that.
man now. You see, because love take people, man, When time she have a man and she see one next woman a talk to her man, she go feel say them a take her man, so her conscience a bother her.
Karma.
Girl, me no want a man.
Karma.
My goodness.
This water that good.
So ask your man.
What
Can
you say?
knock me.
What you just say?
What you just say?
What you just say?
No, no kill him, no kill him, man.
Hey, girl, go out for me.
No kill him, man. Yo, cool.
Hey, hey.
See, he run. You win. Are you win? He run.
Hey, you see your woman? Let me go your next one.
What me I go do? You kill him. Can't make you kill him. See, you run the face slippers.
Miss Big Woman. My man, they gonna come here. And me they go on the road and all me want you to do is and you me a chat to girl. How am to the ranking girl yeah? Pass your place with me. I pass your place. Let's me on my phone nice and decent. And then your mother by the phone they give me, you know. And then your papa. And me coachy work feet. Oh. All the current girl make gone. Captive GPS lights. Father God help Shanice. Help yourself. My man, I come here. I want me want you to do. There is lights. My man, I come here. I want you to do half of the clothes in the bed. So I mean, I come too. Comfortable. I mean, I come too. No, me I cash up and come back. I mean, I come too. I mean, I come too. You just test my faith to get a house we have been looking for. But I'm going on the road. You're pretty close to my favorite man can lie down comfortable.
Me say, girl,
What one?
a while ago me see your sister, I don't know how she go. Have to hide back a
She
seat
an
now.
idiot girl.
She just
But
ever
a man
chat.
a come here.
Which one that?
No little idiot
Make
job
him come,
one.
no, make him come.
How you gonna do him?
Make him come, man. Make him
So me for clean up the place. So me clean it up. Cause I don't have nothing to do. So I go surely clean it up.
come.
Girl, we over there start look for.
Make him come, man.
I dirty something them there over there send a
Make him
girl.
come. Listen, me.
Slim as better here. Oh,
We
she
are
in
doing
the
that.
bathroom. Come sit down now.
No, she in a bathroom.
No, me just remember. Come down.
Yeah, she a beard.
Yeah.
So what I deal with?
No,
There
just
you
there,
are, nice,
man.
man. You can lie down.
Get lie down, man.
Come in
Get
and
yourself
miggle, man. Come in and
comfy.
miggle.
Get yourself comfy,
Yeah.
man. You good?
So when you push me down, so.
No,
No, we
man.
not really push her down.
No.
Yo, I wanna go.
Me say, girl, me Come here. Let go far. Where you not do the feelings you fight up for you?
Your man come.
A only one with the no in a defend himself. Best Come on.
You see, your man.
Me man. Yeah.
Hold this. Hey.
Come, yo. Go back to me. How for this? When I come, I'll see me. I'll see one.
Me and you they go have your
You know,
your yard. For you in a me house with man.
Let you take up our uniform. You idiot money.
Oh, to be a yard me a go.
Go do what?
You girl.
Your man rape me.
He rape you. Go sit down. Wait till I come back in a day.
Yo.
What
How
problem?
much years me and me never give a bun? And you give me bun with me look what list friend name Amanda, that the girl that we are walking
I
and
no give a bun,
fling
me
herself all about the place. And now she you choose to give me bun with. You never see nobody else to give me bun with. Eh?
And that the girl that tell us of me and him.
Yes, you and her.
No, go so baby, no fret. I just take a quickie. I never give you a bun.
So you do it for sure?
No, it's just a quickie. It's just a quickie. When me say quickie, me mean like
Me will give you back bun.
I never give you a bun.
A bun for bun.
It's not bun for bun.
Bun for bun, me will give you back bun.
Where to make a bun?
Dirty Rasta man, all your daughter.
Every time you with me pitney.
Over me, yeah, that top of me man.
Shan,
Boy, me belly butter when me see all me sister pound it, pull it two of them.
What?
Daughter.
what?
You see, I try to show you.
I saw me grow you. Come back here, so.
Come here.
Come back here, so.
Why you do?
Me not laugh
What kind
with
of
you, me
road you
not
want
laugh
go?
with you.
Me hear you and mommy in her bed and she a boss and she feel pain, so me want feel pain too, hear me?
You want to feel pain?
Yeah.
Me never know say you didn't want to feel pain all along. I never know.
You want to feel?
Never know. Come here. Come here. I'm going to show you pain.
What you doing that?
You want to feel.
Jesus
Pain
Christ.
you want to feel. Yes. Pain you want to feel. You shall feel pain.
Yes, let
You
me
see how you-
alone.
Come on here.
I don't feel-